All right, how you guys doing today? Awesome. So let's talk about traffic today, right? Now, uh, traffic, if you want to make money online, traffic is is the lifeblood, right? I'm sure you've heard about that a lot. They always tell you get traffic, get traffic, get traffic. That is the lifeblood of any business. Even if that business is not a good business, right? If you can send in as many traffic as you can to a business, that business will sell. It's just as simple as that, even if it's not a good business. So that's why for you to make money online, you must learn how to generate traffic. Now, some people will ask, Victor, what is traffic, right? Traffic simply means online visitors. Like we are affiliate marketers, right? So as affiliate marketers, we promote other companies' products. So what we are more like advertisers, right? We just advertise the company's product, right? That's all we do. And for us to be able to do that, we have to bring visitors and customers to that company's website. That is all we do, right? So the more visitors that you can bring to that company website, and some of those visitors decide to become customers by buying into the products, then you make money. So that's how I make money online. That's how thousands of people make money online, right? And that's the cheapest way of making money online. The other ways are more, you cannot trust them, right? Like some people go on trading, they tell you there's this software that will trade for you. I've seen that software wipe out hundreds of thousands of dollars of people's money. You can't trust those things, right? Because there is no guarantee that the software will not go from 100 to 0, which it has done many times. So I've seen a lot of people lose money. I've seen a lot of people lose their credibility. Now, but that is not important, right? That's their choice. Do whatever you want to do. Now, but with affiliate marketing, this is like the oldest form of business in the world, and it's going to outlast other businesses, right? Because what is affiliate marketing, like I said, is just you promoting other companies' products. That's all. And every company in the world, they are looking for marketers that will promote their product for them, especially if they don't have to employ that marketer. They just pay you some commissions, right? So every company in the world need marketers, and they are always looking for one. And that's why you see they pay a lot of money to agencies to advertise for them. But now, the smaller companies, which we represent, these companies, instead of paying those large agencies a lot of millions of dollars to promote their product, one, they don't even have millions of dollars. So what they decide to do is to pay you and me, just to promote their product. So they pay us commissions, right? So if I promote any product and I get a customer for that company, they pay me commissions. That's how I make money. And it's very convenient, right? Because as a freelance marketer, I don't depend on one company. So I look at their products at each time and I decide, okay, this company's product is doing very well right now. I'm going to promote it, right? That's just the way it works. And when I promote, what I try, when we talk of promotion, what we are saying is getting the message out there, right? Now, as I promote, I generate the traffic and I send all those traffic to the company, right? And if any of those visitors that I send to that company decide to buy anything, then I make money. It's powerful, right? So that's how it works. So now there are two types of traffic methods that exist. Now you have the paid traffic and you have free traffic. I use both of them, right? Now, what is the paid traffic? This is where you pay somebody else. You know, you don't, like say you are so busy, you don't have time, right? You don't have time to come out on social media or make a lot of posts. And then you decide, I'm just going to pay somebody to do that for me, right? That is paid traffic. Now, with paid traffic, it's fast, right? So, because once you pay, you get your traffic. So it's very fast. And secondly, you can scale it up. That means you can get as much traffic as you can, right? So that's the way paid traffic is. It's fast. You can scale it. So if you want like 1,000 visitors today, as long as you can afford it, you get it. So that is good for paid traffic, but it still have some disadvantages, right? Now with paid traffic, the disadvantages, the first one is the cost, right? Now as a business person, you don't want to spend more than you gain, right? That's how business works. So you don't want to spend more than you gain. So you don't want to spend more than your profit. So if you are a brand new beginner, I don't recommend paid traffic for brand new beginners, only brand new beginners, because of the risk of spending more than you make, right? But if you're already an experienced marketer like me, we know how to play paid traffic, right? So that is a little different for us. Now, but if you are brand new, avoid paid traffic because of the cost. Just because of the cost, right? Now, the second disadvantage of paid traffic is low conversion, right? So I'm sure many of you have noticed that when you buy solo ad, sometimes you don't get any sales. I'm sure you've noticed that. So that annoys a lot of people, right? So that's the second disadvantage. The conversion is very low. I think it's less than 1%. So because of that, a lot of people who don't know much about paid traffic, they get angry, they get pissed, right? and they just feel it doesn't work, but it does work. It works a lot better than you think. So it's just you that have to know how to use it. So like I said, brand new beginners, people that don't have appetite for spending money, keep away from paid traffic. That's my advice to you, right? Now, so that is the disadvantages of paid traffic, right? It's expensive, and two, your conversion is low. All right? But what about free traffic? Now, free traffic means exactly what it says, right? It means it's free. You're not going to pay any money. So with free traffic, there are many ways of getting free traffic. In fact, many ways. Now, the most popular way of getting free traffic is from social media platforms like Facebook, right? So Facebook is free, YouTube is free, TikTok is free, Instagram is free, Pinterest is free. All these platforms, these are places you can get free traffic. So there are a lot of places. So why is it free? Because you don't pay anybody. Now, but even though you don't pay anybody, you have to put in the work. So if you are somebody that is not willing to put in the work, then you are not going to get traffic from free sources, right? We also have other free platforms like, what do they call them now? Traffic exchange, classified ads, what the other one? Safe list. These are all free. So you see, there are more free traffic sources than even paid. Naturally, because as human beings, we don't want to spend money, right? So the first thing we want to do is to look for free ways of getting traffic. So that's why there are more. People are looking for new strategies of getting free traffic every day. So you have a large number. So if you're a brand new beginner, I highly recommend that you go for free traffic. Okay? Now, what are the advantages of free traffic? High conversion, right? So you get sales easily with free traffic. The conversion rate is very, very high. So you're able to make more sales when it's free traffic. And the reason is simple, right? You know what your bank always tell you? The know, like, and trust. A lot of people, I've seen somebody make a video that is not important to have a know, like, and trust. That's a lie. People buy from people, right? Now, when they see you promoting, they know you, they like you, they trust you. And by that way, they buy from you. And you can see that from my testimonies, right? I have made over $8,000 in this particular $7 system that we are promoting. Imagine a product that is just $7 to get started with. I have made over $8,000. How is that possible? Because I brought in a lot of customers, right? And that is what you call know, like, and trust. Because some people feel Victor can advise me better, Victor understands this terrain better, and they decide to join with me, right? And that's why I made so much money within a very short time. Now, but I use a lot of free traffic, right? Because free traffic gives me sales faster than paid traffic. So I prefer free traffic because it's on social media. Like Facebook is very powerful, right? And I use Facebook a lot. Like with Facebook, you can promote on your Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. And I do all my lives here, right? And I make all my posts here. And I get a lot of sales from it. Now, you can also promote on Facebook groups for free. You can also promote on Facebook Marketplace for free. So you can see how powerful Facebook is. You can also make reels. I make Facebook reels. Look at all the things you could do with Facebook to get traffic to your business. You can see how powerful it is. So with free traffic, the conversion is very high. Now, what are the disadvantages of free traffic? The disadvantage is you don't get a lot of traffic at a time, right? Unlike paid traffic that you can pay somebody and it just gives you thousands of traffic. With free traffic, they come in trickles. Unless you have a lot of followers. If you have a lot of followers, then that's different, right? You get a lot of people joining you very fast. But if you don't have a lot of followers, with free traffic, the numbers come slowly. And that's what frustrates a lot of people, right? But, human beings, we are impatient, right? We don't like, we don't want to pay for fast one, and we don't want to wait for the slow one. So it's almost like you cannot even satisfy anybody, right? So with free traffic, the traffic comes in trickles, but it's high converting. So if you are foolish, you will ignore that. high converting. That means your chance of making a sale on social media very, very high. All right. So now, what are the best products to promote with paid or free traffic? The best products to promote are products that have low ticket upfront sales with high ticket back end sale. So that means that in the upfront, you make little money. But the good thing about that is that you are able to offset your marketing cost with your upfront sale. And when eventually you get a high ticket sale in the back end, you are now able to recover fast. So that's the trick. It's a marketing kind of trick. You promote low ticket front end products with a high ticket back end product. Very, very important strategy, right? Now, right now we are promoting the OLSP system because it has all those things, right? The OLSP system have the low ticket front end sale and then high ticket back end sale. And how much do you get started with the OLSP system? Just $7. So that is great because everybody can afford $7, right? And that is powerful. So everybody can afford $7. And with the OLSP system, you will earn 100% commission in your front end sale. But that is not all. You will also earn commissions from over 7 different income streams in the back end. So by you just spending $7, which is nothing because, like I always say, that's the same amount you spend for toilet tissue paper. So it's not money, right? Now for you just spending $7, you will have a system that can make you some good amount of money, right? And for me already, within a short time, I've made over $8,000. In fact, I'm getting close to $9,000 right now because I think I'm at $8,921 as of today. So if I can do it, anybody can do it, right? So that's powerful. So if you want to get started with the OLSP system or you want to join my team, I am offering some free bonuses to those that decide to join my team. All right. Now, all you have to do, just go to the link in the description above. Okay. Click that link. Get started. It's just $7. The OLSP system have all the training you need and all the support you need. And who loses $7? Nobody. All right. So if you have any question concerning the system, concerning those who want to upgrade, because with the OLSP system, you can upgrade to the team builders and earn as much as 200% commission. So those that upgrade, they make more money, but standardly is just $7. So go ahead, click that link in the description above or in my profile or any link you see around, get started. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again.